Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. As you may probably know, Black Friday is around the corner, and today in this quick video I'm going to share with you my updating list of Banggood coupons which is dedicated for the Black Friday event. All the products on that list are FPV related and everything is split into categories. So for example, over here you can find some drones, and if you scroll down you can find more products including goggles, radio transmitters and etc. Next to each product you can find the purchase link, which I will highly appreciate if you will use, since it will greatly support my channel, and if a coupon is applicable you can also find it, and please note that some coupons are limited in their numbers and some are not. The main event is going to start in a couple of hours, so you still have some time to plan your shopping, and as I always recommend, don't spend too much and try not to buy something that you don't need just because it's a little bit cheaper than before. In addition, I also marked some of the products that I like in yellow, so you can check them out. So for example, I marked the iFlatness Gold 5, which I really like, and also the HLRC Sector 5, which I just tested today, and I was really impressed with it. So that's going to be it for this video. Happy shopping, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.